Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of maths. And today we will be studying the concept sheet of a very interesting topic, which has two aspects, time and temperature. Right? We all know the importance of time and temperature. Right? Without time, without the knowledge of time, without being timely at any place, right? Whatever efforts you make, they become futile. They are of no use. So we will be studying in detail. Now we all know time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds with the help of a clock or a watch, and temperature is in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit with the help of a thermometer. It is measured. Thermometers can be of different types, right? So let us go into the details. Now the normal clock, it has two rounds, each of 12 hours. 12 hours, the first one being AM and the second one being PM. So let us see what is there in exercise 1. We have to read each of the following watches time. See, the first one has been done for you. It's 2:30. The second one, see, it's after 12. It's 5 places at 1. So that is 9 5, right? 9 is to 0 5. And the third one, you can see both the arms are together at 4. So r will be 4, and the minutes will be 5 into 4 20. So 20 minutes here, right? You can write am pm if you feel like, but it's, you cannot determine here whether it's am or pm. Or now see the fifth one here, the third arm is also shown, right? So we will also be writing it here. So R is at 4, or no, R is at 12. So we will be writing 0 0 here. 12 is never written, right? And then minutes is at 4, that is 20, and second is at 10. So you can write both. You can write 0 0 is to 20 is to 10, or 12 is to 20 is to 10. Both will be correct. Okay. Now let us move to the second one. Draw the minute hand to show the time given below, right? 4 o'clock. Okay. So minute hand is drawn here. I think actually, rather it is the second hand. So the minute hand will coincide with the second hand in the first one. Then the second one, 9:30. The minute hand should have been here at 6. Okay. So then it would be 9:30. The third one, see, 7:12. So for 12 you have to put 1 here, right? And so on and so forth. Right. You just see the time and accordingly draw the minutes hand. Now there are some fill in the blanks. Two scales used for measuring temperature. I've already told you, Celsius or centigrade and Fahrenheit. Right. It is Celsius and Fahrenheit. In Celsius scale, freezing point of water is Celsius scale. Freezing point of water is how much? And boiling point of water is how much, right? You need to find it out. See, I am giving you one hint. In Fahrenheit it is 0 degree, right? And boiling, I think it's 0 degree and 100 degree Celsius boiling point of water, right? And freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Now you have to change that into Fahrenheit. There is a formula in your book. You just use that and change it into Fahrenheit to do the C part. So the B part answer has to be how much? It has to be 0 degree here, and it has to be 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now you have to state the kind of weather which will be there, right? In the second part, see the first one, -3 degrees Celsius. So -3 degree clearly means it will be very cold. 36 degrees Celsius, very hot. Then 8 degrees Celsius, cold, cool climate it would be. Not very cold, icy cold नहीं होगा, but ठंडा होगा. 21 degree it will be moderate, right? And like that you have to write here. Okay, it's a very simple and very interesting exercise. You need to practice it. So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.